Hey, you know what I'm saying? You know what it is, man. It's your boy Fripp Island, man. YouTube, what's happening, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my motherfucking homeboy Milk, man. You know what I'm saying? Welcome home, nigga. You know what it's gonna be, man. We finna goddamn do some things. Let these niggas know how we do. Smoke on that fruity loud, you know what I'm saying? All day, every day. Get money, you know what I'm saying? Fuck these bitches. Do what we do, you know what I'm saying? Check that danger zone out, man, for real, cause that's what's happening right now, you know what I'm saying? Fripp Island, get that shit, get at me, you know what I'm saying? If you sleeping on me, you need to wake up, you know what I'm saying? Greenville, South Carolina, man, that's where I come from, man, that's where I'm at, man, right now, you know what I mean? On the other side of Greenville, though, you know what I mean? Y'all know that about that. Hey, it's your boy Fripp Island again, man. Straight shot, black market. That's what it is, you know what I'm saying? All in, baby.